Hey everybody, Trucker Matt, and this video is sponsored by Riffenberg Lumber Company because I have most of Riffenberg Lumber Company remains in my garage. God bless Vince. Anyways, quick tip. Made a video about this here, whatchamajigger, what do you call it, rip fence. One warning, quick tool warning. Make sure you either take these off or tighten them down. Dewalt or Black & Decker was cool. I lost them, my fault. They sent me new ones. But anyways, just a warning. Make sure you tighten those down or you will lose them in regular sawing. They will just fall off. But rip fence, ooh, worked out beautifully. I mean, you can see these guys, identical. All I did was hold the blade there and set the fence with no real measuring. That was the result. Anyway, another warning. These are badass. I thought I was gonna buy, portable workbench, don't ya? But the problem wasn't connecting them all on my shop where I'm not in a driveway. They are really level and you could really clamp between them. Here's the problem. In the hinge, see this little bump? There, where's the square? For real fine joinery, those bumps don't work, but there's clamps there, and grooves and bench dogs, but it doesn't really help if it's not level. So for fine joinery, it's not gonna work. But we're sticking some 1/2-inch dowels in redwood to make a shovel rack. It should work. We're gonna glue it, put some L brackets too, so that it's nice and strong, holds the shovels. Video also sponsored, no, not really, but I love these, como se dice, Stadler Mars. Look at the sun, beautiful sunny day here, middle of February. Slight breeze. Maybe it's not gonna snow again, spring will be here. The lake is plentiful, God bless us. But anyway, Stadler Mars. Awesome pencils. Here's kind of my idea. Just building a box. Basically 4 sides. I'm gonna drill these holes to hold the shovel. Try to offset them so that everything's not clanging together. We'll see how that works. Anyway, give me some more organization than that truck had. Building it out of redwood, because of course redwood can deteriorate in the water. Yeah, I think that's all I had for you guys. Oh yeah, using 1/2-inch. I had longer than 1/2x2. I have like 2.5-inch dowels, but they're only 7/16, and I was thinking that girth was going to be better than penetration for this one. Keep your minds out of the gutter. Yeah, you know what I mean. I think that'll be beautiful in there. We don't need it to go in that far. Anywho, and also, one more quick thing. If you are messing with dowels and joinery, man, get some stops. I just have them color coded based on all my dowels, you see. All the 1/2-inch. It's all yellow. 1/2-inch. 1/2-inch bit. And then so on and so forth. But it's all about these depth stops. And the bitching part is another use for a caliper. You can take your caliper, stick it in the initial hole you drilled, check it, set that, or set the caliper to the actual exact size, because those probably aren't exactly 2 inches. Split it in half. You can even give yourself down to the 64th for glue spacing with a caliper. So, yeah, another bitchin' use for a caliper. And depth stops. If you're gonna mess with dowel joinery, make your life easy. Spend $10 on a set for all the dowels you could imagine. Yeah, these cost, I mean, $10 for all of them at the local hardware store, not even online, like locally. Anywho, this is Trucker Matt. Whether it's a hot one or a cold one, go out there and do something for the Lord today. God bless.